Adaptable. Adaptable. Meaning, able to adjust to new situations easily. Example: Emma is highly adaptable, thriving in fast-changing environments. Courageous. Courageous. Meaning, showing bravery in the face of danger or challenges. Example: the courageous firefighter rescued the trapped family. Giving. Giving. Meaning, generous and willing to share with others. Example: a giving person always thinks of others' needs before their own. Neat. Neat. Meaning, clean, tidy, and organized. Example: his neat desk reflects his methodical approach to work. Self-confident. Self-confident. Meaning, having trust in one's own abilities or judgments. Example: Claire walked into the meeting self-confident, ready to present her ideas. Adventurous. Adventurous. Meaning, willing to take risks and try new experiences. Example: the adventurous traveler explored remote islands by herself. Creative. Creative. Meaning, having the ability to think of original ideas. Example: Mark's creative approach to solving problems often surprises his team. Good. Good. Meaning, morally right or virtuous. Example: a good teacher inspires their students to reach their potential. Nice. Nice. Meaning, pleasant and kind in manner. Example: the new neighbors were incredibly nice, offering help when we moved in. Self-discipline. Self-discipline. Meaning, having control over one's own behavior. Example: athletes need to be self-disciplined to maintain their fitness and diet. Affable. Affable. Meaning, friendly and easy to talk to. Example: the affable host made everyone at the party feel comfortable. Decisive. Decisive. Meaning, able to make decisions quickly and effectively. Example: a decisive leader inspires confidence in their team. Gregarious. Gregarious. Meaning, sociable and enjoying the company of others. Example: as a gregarious person, she thrives at social gatherings. Non-judgmental. Non-judgmental. Meaning, avoiding criticism or judgment of others. Example: a non-judgmental listener helps people open up about their problems. Sensible. Sensible. Meaning, showing good judgment or practicality. Example: wearing comfortable shoes was a sensible choice for the long hike. Affectionate. Affectionate. Meaning, showing love or warmth towards others. Example: the puppy was very affectionate, always cuddling with its owner. Dependable. Dependable. Meaning, reliable and trustworthy. Example: a dependable friend is someone you can count on in tough times. Hardworking. Hardworking. Meaning, putting in a lot of effort and diligence. Example: the hardworking student spent hours studying for the exam. Observant. Observant. Meaning, quick to notice or perceive things. Example: the detective was highly observant, catching details others missed. Sensitive. Sensitive. Meaning, easily affected emotionally or physically. Example: Mia is very sensitive to criticism, so be gentle with feedback. Agreeable. Agreeable. Meaning, willing to agree or be pleasant. Example: he's an agreeable person who easily collaborates with others. Determined. Determined. Meaning, having a strong resolve to accomplish something. Example: despite setbacks, she remained determined to finish her marathon. Helpful. Helpful. Meaning: willing to assist or offer aid. Example: the hotel staff were very helpful, ensuring our stay was comfortable. Optimistic. Optimistic. Meaning: expecting the best to happen in the future. Example: he stayed optimistic even during challenging times. Shy. Shy. Meaning: timid or reserved in social situations. Example: the shy girl hesitated before answering the question in class. Ambitious. Ambitious. Meaning: having a strong desire to achieve success. Example: Elon Musk is known for his ambitious projects like SpaceX and Tesla. Diligent. Diligent. Meaning: showing care and effort in one's work or duties. Example: the diligent gardener ensured every plant in the garden flourished. Hilarious. Hilarious. Meaning: extremely funny and amusing. Example: the comedian's hilarious jokes had the audience in splits. Organized. Organized. Meaning: methodical and efficient in arrangement. Example: a well-organized planner helps in managing tasks effectively. Silly. Silly. Meaning: behaving in a playful or foolish way. Example: the kids were being silly, running around the park in costumes. Amiable. Amiable. Meaning: having a pleasant and friendly demeanor. Example: the amiable librarian greeted everyone with a warm smile. Diplomatic. Diplomatic. Meaning: skilled in handling situations without offending others. Example: a diplomatic response helped resolve the argument peacefully. Honest. Honest. Meaning: truthful and sincere. Example: an honest student admitted their mistake instead of hiding it. Passionate. Passionate. Meaning: showing strong enthusiasm or emotion for something. Example: the chef's passionate cooking earned her a Michelin star. Sincere. Sincere. Meaning: genuine and honest in feelings or actions. Example: a sincere apology can mend even the deepest wounds. Amicable. Amicable. Meaning: friendly and agreeable in nature. Example: the divorce was surprisingly amicable, with both parties agreeing on terms. Discreet. Discreet. Meaning: careful to avoid offending or causing trouble. Example: she was discreet about discussing personal matters at work. Humorous. Humorous. Meaning: having a sense of humor, funny. Example: his humorous anecdotes always lighten the mood at gatherings. Patient. Patient. Meaning: able to endure difficulties without complaint. Example: the patient teacher explained the concept multiple times until everyone understood. Smart. Smart. Meaning: intelligent and quick-witted. Example: Sherlock Holmes is known for being incredibly smart and observant. Amusing. Amusing. Meaning: entertaining or causing laughter. Example: the clown's performance was very amusing, especially for the children. Dynamic. Dynamic. Meaning: energetic and full of new ideas. Example: a dynamic leader constantly inspires their team to innovate. Imaginative. Imaginative. Meaning: creative and able to think of new ideas. Example: The architect's imaginative designs were praised worldwide. Persistent. Persistent. Meaning: continuing firmly despite challenges. Example: a persistent salesperson doesn't give up after a few rejections. Sociable. Sociable. Meaning: enjoying interaction with others. Example: the new student was very sociable, making friends within days. Artistic. Artistic. Meaning: skilled in or appreciating art. Example: her artistic talent was evident in the beautiful paintings she created. Easygoing. Easygoing. Meaning: relaxed and not easily upset. Example: his easygoing nature makes him a joy to work with. Impartial. Impartial. Meaning: treating all sides equally, fair. Example: a judge must be impartial, basing decisions solely on evidence. Pioneering. Pioneering. Meaning: introducing new and innovative ideas. Example: the scientist pioneering research in renewable energy is groundbreaking. Straightforward. Straightforward. Meaning: honest and direct in communication. Example: her straightforward feedback helps others improve quickly.